Authentic Baked Sago Pudding. Preheat the oven to 160°C, 320°F. 4 eggs, but I'm gonna do 8 cause big family. Beat them eggs thoroughly to avoid them chunks later on. Add 1 liter milk normal, 2 liter milk double. Bring to a boil, stir occasionally as not to burn the milk. Add your 250 ml sago or 500 if you're doing double. 2 ml salt or 5 ml if you're going double like me. Remember to keep stirring so that the sago doesn't clump or burn, and once it starts to get thick and slightly transparent on the edges, you can remove it from the heat. 75 ml sugar or 150 ml doubled up. 75 ml butters, 150 ml butter. Guess what? Doubled up. Mix it good. Add your beat up egg. Just remember to not take too long to stir, otherwise you're gonna have scrambled eggs instead of yummy pudding. 5 ml vanilla essence or 10 if you doubled up. Once combined well, let's get this into a greased oven-proof dish, be it butter or cooking spray. Splash, sploosh, sploosh. Cover in cinnamon. Bake for 45 minutes until golden brown. It might still be a bit little undercooked. Just poking a knife or a stick, if stuff stick to it, just bake for a little longer. Once rested for a few hours, enjoy. Add custard or even apricot jam just to spice it up a little bit more. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and enjoy the fun treat at the end. Cheers!